Hello, third graders. I know that was a really crazy meet. I'm not really too sure how it went down. I don't know how we ended up with two meets and I think maybe even a third meet. But I wanted to record the lesson that I had planned for you this morning so that you can watch it if you'd like and you can go ahead and do the assignment. So I'm going to share my screen and kind of show you what I would like for you to do today. All right, boys and girls. So, what you're going to do is you're going to sign into your art Google Classroom, go to classwork, and then click on where it says Google Slide Art. And you're actually going to view the assignment, and it's going to assign you a Google slide. What is really neat about the Google Slide website is that you can actually create artwork using Google Slides. So the first thing that you're going to do is decide what kind of picture that you want to create, and you're going to make a background. So when you click on background, you can either choose a color for your background or you can choose an image. Now, this picture is going to be about anything you want. So I'm actually going to make a picture of outer space. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in outer space, not butter spray. How about the galaxy? There we go. And it's going to pop up a lot of different choices that I can use for my background. I'm going to pick this one and insert that into my picture. So I've started with this background of the galaxy, and I think that I'm going to add like a moon, a half shape of a moon, so I can put like an alien and maybe a spaceship on my picture. So I'm going to go up to shape, and I'm going to choose, see if there's a half moon shape. There is not, so I'm just going to choose a circle, and I'm going to make it nice and big. I'm kind of cropping going off the page. Move it down, yes. So that looks like the surface of the moon. I can change the color if I'd like. If I click on it, if I press that, that's the border. If I press that, that's the fill color. So let's say I want it to be a light gray. There we go. And now I'm going to add maybe a little alien on my surface of my planet. So I'm going to go into Insert, click on Image, and then search the web. It's going to pop up a search bar, and I just click on or type in what I want to add. So I'm going to put alien, and then I'm going to put the word transparent. Transparent is a magical word that makes it so that your object that you're putting in, it's just the object, it's not the background. Well, he's kind of cute. And then I'm going to click on the alien that I like and drag them over. And I can make them smaller or bigger, depending on what I want. I can use this little circle and I can make them tilted to look like they're flying. And I'm just going to leave transparent in the search bar, but I'm going to put maybe spaceship. Spaceship, transparent. And I can come up with a little spaceship to put in my picture. I just grab it and drag it over. So you can create a piece of digital artwork by using the different images that you find in the search bar. Saturn, transparent. I can add planets. I can add stars. Maybe a little house on the surface of this planet that I'm creating. All right. And I just can continue to add different pictures into my artwork by using Google Slides. Another thing that you can do is you can add text. So you can have one of your characters talking, or you can give a title to your artwork. So I'm going to add a text box here, and I'm going to type the planet Wagner. And I want to make that writing a little bit bigger so I can increase the font. I can change the font if I would like. I can change the color of my text. To X this out so I can see it. There we go. So I have shown you how to add a background, how to add a shape by going to the shape, how to add images from the web, and how to add text. What I would love for you to do today is I would love for you to create a digital piece of artwork using Google Slide. And when you are done, you're going to go back to the Art Google Classroom and you are going to turn in your work. So you just go to that assignment page when you are done and just click turn in. It will say, do you want to turn in your work? You're going to say yes, turn in. And then it will be shared with me. Right here it says unsubmit. That means you've already turned it in. You don't have to do anything else. It will be shared with me so that I can see what you've created today on your virtual day. And hopefully you come up with something really cool, something very creative that we can share with each other. And hopefully I can post that onto our page, some of my favorite designs that you've come up with on Google Slide. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing virtual learning day and you're getting a lot done. Also having a little bit of time to spend with family and go outside. And I will see you all next week. Thank you.